IoT-based attendance system using RFID and face recognition with SMS capability. These are the parts: a high-link AC to DC power supply, a 4GB Raspberry Pi 4B, SIM900A GSM module, an RC522 RFID reader, a 1.3-inch OLED display, a 720p camera, and other computer peripherals. There will be two phases of the project. One is for registering of the student with their faces and RFID tags, and the operation of recording attendance. After executing the code, the admin will be prompted if they want to register a student. If they press Y on the keyboard, they will be asked to input the student name to check if they already exist. If they does not exist, they will have to input the student name again. This will open up the camera and a window used for capturing the student's images. 5 images are needed to be captured using the space key in the keyboard. After capturing, escape key is pressed to exit the operation. This will encode and train the images for face recognition. The admin will be prompted again to input the student name used during face recognition and scan the RFID tag to the reader. This will embed the student name to it. The students' captured images will be stored in a directory named to them. The admin will then have to register the student again in a web application. This is where attendance records is accessed. In this case, the student already exists but has different RFID tag data, so it must be updated with the new one given during the face registration. After all of these, the admin will give the RFID tag to the student together with their credentials needed to log in and see their attendance record. Now that phase 1 or the registration is done, here comes phase 2 where attendance is recorded. Again, the admin will be prompted if they want to register a student. Inputting N will open up the camera and ready the RFID reader. Both face recognition and RFID will now run simultaneously. The student must be first recognized by face and scan their RFID tag. If their names are the same, the Raspberry Pi will communicate with an application programming interface or API to check if they are registered students in the web application. If they are, then it will welcome them and record the attendance. After a successful attendance, a text message will be sent to the number inputted during the registration in the website. Since the attendance is recorded successfully, it can now be seen in the web application both by the admin and the student themselves by logging in to the credentials given to them. Here are the errors and scenarios that will happen if all registrations are not met. If the face recognition fails to recognize the student or they are not the owner of the RFID tag, then it will display face and RFID not matched. If they are recognized by both face and RFID but isn't registered in the web application, then the recording of attendance operation will not run and instead display these. Lastly, if an individual is not recognized or registered in the face recognition, they will be named unknown.